School. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Now, yesterday we have saw endoplasmic reticulum, right? Now, we are going inside a cell. We are talking about cell organelles. The first organelle what we have learned was endoplasmic reticulum, right? So, what we have learned, endoplasmic reticulum are a long tube or round oblong bags. It make a structure around a nucleus, right? There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough, why? Because it has lysosomes on it. Yes, ribosomes on it. These ribosomes attach on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Because of that, it looks rough in structure. We call it as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It, what does it produce? It is a site to produce protein. The second, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that prepare fat or molecules or lipids, and the main thing is they will transport it to throughout the cell wherever it is required. So that was, we have talked about our endoplasmic reticulum. A part of that, it also help in order to provide certain, it can also help as in enzymes and hormones also. And I told you, in SCR, it plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Detoxify means it will remove the poisons and drugs. The next we are talking is a Golgi apparatus. Now see, can you see Golgi apparatus here? This are the Golgi apparatus. It is also looks like this. Okay. Now what is Golgi apparatus? Why does the name is like this? The person who have first described it is Camillo Golgi, consisting of a system of membrane-bound vesicle flattened sacs. Can you see here flattened sacs? Okay, SACS, flattened sacs, approximately parallel to each other in each stack called cistern. So basically the each stack is called, the each line is called cistern. These membranes have connection with endoplasmic. Now see, can you see they are near to endoplasmic reticulum. So they made a connection with endoplasmic reticulum. Now whatever the things is been produced by endoplasmic reticulum like protein or fat molecules or lipids, those are being transported. Now endoplasmic reticulum cannot move from there. So what they do, they give these things to Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus packed, right? See, they, what they do is this material is synthesized in endoplasmic and dispatched and packed by Golgi apparatus. So what is the main aim of a Golgi apparatus? It packed and dispatched various targets inside and outside also of a cell through the Golgi apparatus, right? In some cases, some complex sugars has been made from a single sugar in the Golgi apparatus. Even Golgi apparatus, what they do, they convert some special complex they made from simple sugars. So they prepare complex sugar from a simple sugar. This Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosome. So who help in the formation of lysosome? Golgi apparatus. So see, this is how the structure is going. If you see why the name is like this, Camillo Golgi. The person under his name, he have named this thing Golgi apparatus. Now, as what I said, what is the main role of a Golgi apparatus? Is it pack and dispatch the material synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, smooth or rough. So that's why it is closely involved with them, and it dispatch inside and outside the cell also. So did you understand the main role of Golgi apparatus? Okay. Now we are going to talk. So this is the Camillo Golgi. You can, the bracket, this box thing, you just is for your knowledge. It is not going to ask in any exams or things, but make sure you understand all these people, right? They did really contributed and work hard in order to give us all these things. Now lysosomes, as what I said, lysosomes are a membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzyme. Now this is having really important part. This they are having a digestive enzyme. Who is having a digestive enzyme? Lysosomes are having a digest. Can you see a dot and the top of it? Next to rough endoplasmic reticulum, you see a dot. Such dots are at many places. Those are lysosomes. Now, what is the role of a lysosome in a cell? Lysosomes are contain digestive enzymes. Yes. So, those are the digestive enzyme, and these enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic. So, these enzymes are prepared by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rhizosomes, what now? Rhizosomes, what? He's the is like he cleans the cell basically. How do he cleans the cell? See, this lysosomes are the waste disposal system of the cell. Means it cleans. They help to keep the cell clean by digesting the foreign material. Foreign material means something which is coming out of the cell, not produced inside the cell, like bacteria or food, as well as old organelles. Now, suppose the organelles which are old, which is of no use to it, even it digests that also. So, what is the role of a lysosome? Lysosome clean the cell by digesting foreign material like bacteria or food or even old organelles into simple substance so that can be reutilized. Lysosome even have a powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking an organic material, right? Now, sometimes what happens is during this process, suppose the cell get damaged by some means. While doing this system, lysosome feels that the cell is getting damaged. So what he do? Lysosome burst itself, means he commits suicide. Lysosome burst itself, and the enzymes digest the own cell, so he can digest the own cell also. Wow, right? So to protect the cell, he burst itself. That's why lysosomes are also known as a suicidal bags. This can be asked as a blank, right? So what did you understand lysosomes, right? So lysosomes, these enzymes, right, are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is a cleaning the waste disposal system. It cleans the foreign material like bacteria or food and even old organelles, right? It has a very powerful digestive enzyme, and during such process, if he feels that the cell is getting damaged, so it bursts itself and digest the own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as a suicidal bags. Okay, guys. So three things we have learned. Okay, and we are going to see next tomorrow. Tomorrow our chapter is going to finish. So I'm going to provide you question answers for the same. Okay, till then, bye. Take care.